Let me show you how to pull clean data from seekbusiness.com.au, whether you use Excel or APIs for scraping franchise listings. I am going straight to the page with the results already showing. From here, open the extension by clicking the icon at the top right. With the extension open, hit I'm on the right page, and Minexa analyzes the layout to detect the franchise listings. Done already. Full page analysis complete. No input needed. Choose List Only, or go deeper into each results detail page. Keep it simple with Continue Advanced if a button or input needs to be triggered before results appear. Minexa.ai highlighted the right block automatically. Hit Create Scraper, and this is the one-time step where it learns what to extract. All data is ready. Minexa figured out every field without you having to specify anything, including business names, prices, and locations. For the technical side, click API Request. The trained scraper targets exact elements, so no full HTML parsing needed. Validate the setup with one click, and the scraper is ready to go. The pagination button is highlighted. Minexa detected it. Change it if needed. Last thing, connect Google Sheets or set a frequency if needed, then hit Complete Setup. Hit Run, and Minexa starts collecting the data. Everything here is reusable. The same scraper works on any similar page on this site at any scale. Typical data points include business title, price, location, and detailed descriptions of each franchise listing. Click Export. Every scraped result is its own row with all fields already separated. Any website, clean data, no hassle, and for developers, no selector writing, no LLM processing, no infrastructure, just a single API call and accurate structured output.